Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we are covering everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so make sure that you're subscribed and turn on those notifications so that you stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Now, just an extra tip this morning, guys. If you want to see what experts are saying about your portfolio, go to the TipRanks Smart Portfolio. It's free and even shows you how your performance compares to other investors. You can link and manage multiple portfolios and watch lists, plus benefit from crowd wisdom. Now, we have a lot to cover in this morning's video with exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest movers, and some notable earnings reports. So here we go. Starting off with stock market news. Our US stock futures are a bit mixed this morning as we see a bit of a cool off from the tech rebound yesterday. The Dow futures were up about 0.3%, S&P 500 futures hovering right around zero at neutral, and the NASDAQ down about 0.3%. In stimulus news, the House is expected to vote on the $1.9 trillion stimulus package this morning, hopefully getting approved and then heading over to President Biden for signing. And in IPO news, we have video game developer Roblox, who is going public today, Wednesday, March 10th, via a direct listing on the New York Stock Exchange. They will trade under the ticker RBLX and are expected to price their shares around $45 a piece. In other news, Beyond Meat got a boost in their share price after announcing an expanded deal with Walmart. They announced that some 400 Walmart locations that already carry their products will add their Beyond Sausage Hot Italian to their fresh meat aisle, while 500 Walmart stores will offer Beyond Meat's Cookout Classic Value Pack. This saw the BYND stock rise up about 3% yesterday, and it's now up about 1.3% in the pre-market. One stock that saw a strong rebound yesterday was Tesla, who ended the day up 19.6% at $673.58. So far in the pre-market, they're up about 1.1%. Cloud storage company DropBox announced a deal to acquire DocSend, which is a secure document sharing and analytics company, in a cash deal worth $165 million. Dropbox said that the acquisition will complement the company's product roadmap as a rise in remote work has led to a surge in demand for digital tools. The deal is expected to close in the first quarter of 2021, and Dropbox closed up above 4% yesterday. Visa shares fell slightly yesterday after announcing that their payment volumes had slipped. They closed the day down 1% after announcing their U.S. payments volumes rose 9% in February, which was lower than the 11% growth registered in January due to unfavorable weather conditions and a lower benefit from stimulus-related spending. The street still remains bullish, though, as it still comes in as a strong buy with 13 buy ratings and 2 holds and about a 10% potential upside. And wireless company Verizon has their investor day today. Management will likely highlight their expanded portfolio and moves towards 5G networks as a step towards its future network goals. Their long-term vision includes an integrated wireless and wired footprint that serves all of Verizon's customers on one seamless network. Following Verizon this week with their investor days will be T-Mobile on Thursday and AT&T on Friday. Now, taking a look at our biggest gainers and losers this morning. Starting off with our biggest gainer, Medicinova. Trading under the ticker MNOV, they're currently up nearly 90% so far in the pre-market. Followed by Cemtrex under CETX, who is up 77%, and COS under KOSS, currently up 48%. Our biggest losers so far this morning include Sundance Energy Australia, who is currently down about 42% in the pre-market, Driven Brand Holdings, who is down 17%, and Invo Bioscience, who is down 16%, but keep in mind they are still up over 200% from the beginning of the week. Now, taking a look at some notable earnings reports, starting with AeroVironment, who beat their street estimates. This was driven by double-digit year-over-year growth in sales. The aircraft company's third quarter adjusted earnings of 14 cents per share beat the street estimates of 0 cents per share. AeroVironment's revenues increased 27% year over year to $78.8 million in the quarter and surpassed the consensus estimate of $75.46 million. Their gross margin was $28.6 million, up 22%. Their stock was up about 3.7% at the close of yesterday and comes in as a moderate buy with about a 17.5% potential upside. We also heard from Oak Street, whose shares slipped on a wider than expected fourth quarter loss. They reported a net loss of 40 cents per share for the quarter, which was significantly wider than the street's estimates of a loss of 27 cents per share. Their fourth quarter revenues grew 43% year over year to $248.7 million and did surpass analyst expectations of $231.8 million. Oak Street Health does still come in as a strong buy with 6 buy ratings and 1 hold and has a price target which has about 29% potential upside. And we heard from Dick's Sporting Goods, whose shares went down even though their quarterly profit popped 84%. Dick's fourth quarter adjusted earnings of $2.43 per share was up 84% on a year-over-year basis and outpaced street estimates of $2.26 per share. However, their shares did decrease over 6% as the sporting goods retailer expects consolidated same-store sales growth to decline or increase by up to 2% in the full year of 2021. So they do come in as a moderate buy with 7 buy ratings, 6 holds, and 2 sells, and an average price target that gives about a 10% potential upside. In the after hours today, we're expecting earnings reports from AMC Entertainment, Oracle, and Cloudera. So that is Wednesday's pre-market morning update. Hopefully you found some helpful information in there, and if you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget, I am here Monday through Friday before the opening bell, so I will see you back here tomorrow.